If your iPhone keyboard is slow or lagging, this can make typing a hassle, but don't worry, there are a few simple ways to fix it. Let's dive into the steps to speed up your keyboard and get things running smoothly. Solution 1. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on any open apps to close them. Try typing again to see if lag improves. Solution 2. Disable unnecessary keyboards. Go to Settings, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Keyboard. Tap on Keyboards again. Tap Edit and remove any keyboards you don't use by tapping the red minus icon, then delete. Use only the necessary keyboards to reduce lag. Solution 3. Turn on Reduce Motion. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then tap Motion. Here, toggle Reduce Motion on. This can reduce animation load, potentially improving keyboard responsiveness. Solution 4. Update iOS. Software updates often fix performance issues and may help reduce keyboard lag. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, test if the keyboard lag is resolved. Solution 5. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Check if this improves keyboard speed. That's it. These steps should fix the keyboard lag on your iPhone. If these helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next guide.